Welcome to the channel Maths by Swati ma'am. This is the next part, that is part 5 of the trigonometry. Previous part links are provided in the description box. Please go through them if you are not perfect with all of them. This is the next exercise part, that is 8.2 related to that one. Before solving the exercise 8.2 or the trigonometry second section, we need to have the complete knowledge on this table. Okay, so to have complete knowledge on this table, we need to either you need to understand or you need to by head the value so that you quickly solve the problems. I am going to tell you a shortcut method how to write the table within a period of limited time. Fine. Before writing the table, we have to know a relation here. What is the relation? Now see here, in the previous videos and all, you have learned that sine of any angle, that is sine theta, can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. This you remember. And after that, we know that cos theta is nothing but adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, now what I will do is I will divide the sine value to the cos value. What is it? See, opposite by hypotenuse is the sine value, adjacent by hypotenuse is the cos value. Dear, hypotenuse got cancelled. I got here opposite divided by adjacent. Where you people know that opposite by adjacent formula gives relation to which trigonometric ratio? That is tan theta. Means overall, I understood that tan theta is nothing but the ratio of sine theta divided by cos theta. You need to remember this relation, dears. Understanding? So tan theta is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. Fine. Now, we'll draw the table right now. Dears, to draw the table, what are the necessary things you should have is, you should remember the sin A values. Okay, by sin A values, you can write all other values by yourself without any knowledge. Fine. So now, how to write? Dear, cos A, when you are going to write the cos A, you just have to write the values in the opposite manner with respect to sin A. If sine 90 is provided as 1, then cos 0 will be 1. Means to say that if sine is in this manner you will be having cos values. Understanding? So cos 0 will become 1, where in case cos 30 will become root 3 divided by 2, cos 45 will become as it is. Now cos 60 will become 1 by 2, cos 90 will become 0. Now by default, by knowing only the sine value, you have written the cos value. And just now I gave you the relation that tan theta is nothing but sine theta divided by cos theta. Means sine value, if I divide by cos value, I am going to get the tan value. This relation we have to use to write the values of tan A. Fine. Now dears, see here, tan A, to write it, 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by anything will give me 0. Yes or no? And here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Just do here, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 got cancelled. What I left with? Only 1 by root 3. Means tan 30 is how much, dears? 1 by root 3. Yes or no? 1 by root 3. Now, look at here. Tan 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Same thing, divide by same thing would give me the 1 as a result. Yes or no? See, look at tan 60 degree. See, what I have to do? Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 got cancelled. I got with root 3 by 1. Means only root 3. That is tan 60 degrees how much? Root 3. Now, tan 1 divided by 0. Dears, anything divided by 0 is not defined, as you already know. So we don't have any particular result when we divide something by 0. So that is why tan 90 can be written as not defined. Okay, since because in the denominator I have 0, so I have here not defined. Understood? Okay, next we'll write the cosec, and you already know the link, dears, that is cosec of any angle is the reciprocal of sine value. That this relation I always have to remember. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, now if I reverse the sign, I am going to get the cosec value. Is it not, dears? See, if sine is 0, 0 means what, dear? It is a 0 in the denominator part. I'll be having 1, 0 by 1. Okay, sine A is how much? That is nothing but 0 by 1. If it is 0 by 1, if I reciprocal it, what it will become? 1 divided by 0. By default, if nothing is there in the denominator, that means 1 is there in the denominator. So I reciprocal it. I got 1 by 0. As in case denominator I have 0, when the denominator is 0, then you know that I have to write here not defined. Yes or no? Not defined. Understanding? Next, cosec 30 degree. See, sine A is 1 by 2 means so cosec 30 will be 2 by 1. That is 2 itself. Fine. And here, if sine 45 is 1 by root 2, then cosec 45 will become, dears, root 2 by 1, or else just simply root 2 also you can write. Now, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, then cosec 60 will become, dears, 2 divided by root 3. Okay, 2 divided by root 3, reciprocal. See, if it is 1 means by default it is 1 by 1. Cosec 90 also will become 1. Okay, now we'll write the values related to sec. Before writing values related to sec, again you should know the relation, dear. Sec is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. Okay, sec is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. I have to reciprocal the cos values to get the sec value. Understanding? See here, cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1? It is 1. So sec 0 will become 1, dears. And after that, see here, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then sec 30 will become 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Then cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then sec 45 becomes root 2 by 1, or just simply root 2. Now, see here. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then sec 60 will become, dear, 2 by 1, or just 2. Fine. And after that, at the end, look at the board. Cos 90 is 0. By default, it is nothing but 0 by 1. Again, you need to remember this case, 0 by 1. If I reciprocal it, it will become 1 by 0. And you know that if denominator is with 0, then I cannot divide it. So it is not a defined manner. So I'll be writing here not defined. Okay, it is nothing but not defined. Now, dears, the last trigonometric ratios with respect to cot, and you people know that cot of any angle is the reciprocal values of tan. Yes or no? Cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Now, I have to reciprocal the tan values to get the cot values. Okay. See here, 0 is there. You know that it is 0 by 1. If I reciprocal it, it will become 1 by 0. And 1 by 0 is what, dear? It is not defined because in the denominator I have 0. Okay. Now, dears, 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then cot 30 will become root 3 divided by 1. Fine. See, tan 45 is 1. 1 by 1, 1 itself. So cot 45 is also 1. Tan 60 is root 3. I have to reciprocal it. Root 3 means by default in the denominator I have 1. Root 3 by 1. So if I reciprocal it, it will become 1 by root 3. So cot 60 will become 1 by root 3. At the last value, dear, Tan 90, if it is not defined, use common sense here. Not defined means what, dear? Something divided by 0. Means we have here 1 by 0 we have. Okay, 1 by 0. See here, 1 by 0. If I reciprocal it will become 0 by 1. Yes or no? It will become, if I reciprocal it will become 0 by 1. 1 by 0 reciprocal is 0 by 1. Now I have the value in the denominator. I cannot make it as not defined. Why? Because in the denominator part 0 is not present, 1 is present. So I write here anything, 0 by anything would give me 0. So cot 90 is equal to how much? 0. So to solve all the question related to exercise 2 or the next part of the trigonometry, it is very necessary that you have to understand the values, by head the values. At least you need to know the values related to sine, cosine, tan, dear. Then only you will do very quickly the sum. Otherwise it will take a lot of time, and in the board examination you are not provided with a much of the time. So make sure that you learn this table very properly. Now we'll solve some questions related to the table, and after that big questions we'll deal little later. The simple question, evaluate sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. See dear, sine 60, look at the table, how to identify the values. Sine 60, sine with respect to 60 degree, how much is the value? Root 3 by 2. Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Look at the cos block. Cos 30, where is cos 30, dears? Cos 30 here, root 3 by 2 is there again. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let me write here cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, in between we have plus sign. Okay, now sine 30. What is sine 30 value, dears? Sine 30 degree 1 by 2. So we have sine 30 is 1 by 2. I'll write here 1 by 2 into cos 60. Look at the cos values. Cos 60. I have 1 by 2 here. So I'll be writing cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Now simplify this one, dears. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will become root 3 the square. So no, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. And you people know that square and root will get cancelled to give me 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, where LCM is 4. Directly add the numerator part. 3 plus 1 will become 4. 4 by 4. What is the value I am going to get, dears? 1. Okay. This is how you need to use the table to find out the values. Understanding? We'll move to the next question. Next question, 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60. Okay, one of the important question, dears. 2 into tan square 45. So I'll be writing 2 into square is there. Do not forget to square the values. Tan 45. What is the tan 45? Look here. Tan under 45. What is the value? 1. So 1 the square. Okay, 2 tan square plus cos square 30. What is cos value I have? Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. So I'll be having here cos square. So I'll be writing root 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sine square 60. Sine 60 is how much? Again root 3 by 2, dears. Yes or no? Root 3 by 2 the square. So I'll be having here root 3 by 2 the square. We'll simplify this one. 2 into 1 square will be 1 plus, you know that the square is related to both numerator as well as to the denominator. So in the numerator it is root 3 the square divided by 2 square is 4 minus here in the numerator root 3 square divided by 2 square is 4. See here 2 ones are 2 plus root 3 square is 3 because root and square will get cancelled. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Dears, plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 got cancelled. I left with the value 2. This is how you need to simplify. Okay. So now these are some simple questions, dear, that we have solved. Next we'll be taking some difficult questions and we evaluate well. Till that you practice the table, by head the table, understand the table, and you have to remember the values which are necessary immediately. Fine. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Make sure that you understand the concept. By head them, subscribe the channel, like the videos, and comment if you have understood it. Fine. Thank you.